Lakshmi was a cheerful and confident woman, known for her unique feature, her unusually large nose, which often seemed to arrive before she did. Wherever she went, people couldn't help but notice it first, but Lakshmi carried herself with complete confidence and never let it bother her. In her daily life, even simple tasks turned into funny situations. Turning around required extra space, drinking tea became tricky as her nose would reach the cup before her lips, and wearing a mask was nearly impossible. Despite these small struggles, Lakshmi always laughed it off. One windy day, her nose became the center of attention again. The strong breeze pushed it in different directions, making it look like a natural compass. People around her jokingly started using it to figure out which way the wind was blowing, turning the moment into laughter and fun. But soon, her unique feature revealed an unexpected advantage. Lakshmi discovered that her sense of smell was incredibly powerful. She could detect delicious food from far away, sense rain before it arrived, and even find hidden treats without any effort. Gradually, she became the neighborhood's unofficial smell expert. One day, her ability turned into something truly important. She sensed a gas leak before anyone else noticed. Acting quickly, she warned everyone around her, helping them move to safety. What once made people laugh now made them admire her. Her nose was no longer just funny, it was special. From that day on, Lakshmi was known as the woman with the super nose. People respected her, and she continued to live happily, embracing what made her different. Even then, some playful moments remained. Children would gather around her, curious and amused, asking if they could measure her nose with a ruler. Lakshmi would simply smile and agree, as long as they brought a long enough scale. And so, with confidence, humor, and a big heart, Lakshmi proved that what makes someone different can also make them extraordinary. Ramesh was an ordinary middle-aged man living a simple life, until one morning changed everything. As he woke up and stretched, he noticed strands of hair scattered all over his pillow. Curious and slightly worried, he rushed to the mirror, only to discover that his hairline had quietly begun disappearing. What used to be a full head of hair was now slowly making way for a shining forehead. At first, Ramesh refused to accept it. He tried adjusting his remaining hair from the sides, pulling it forward, and even attempting to cover the bald patch from impossible angles. Each attempt looked more unusual than the last, but he remained determined to fix it. To everyone else, however, it was a hilarious sight. Soon began his mission to bring his hair back. He experimented with all kinds of home remedies, onion juice, egg masks, aloe vera, and countless suggestions from the internet. His head turned into a mixture of strange smells and sticky textures, making even those around him step away. Despite all his efforts, nothing seemed to work. As days passed, Ramesh stepped out into the world, only to find himself becoming the center of playful teasing. At work, his shiny head caught everyone's attention. Friends joked about it, sometimes even using the reflection on his head like a mirror. Though it was all in good fun, it made Ramesh realize that hiding it was becoming more exhausting than accepting it. One day, he made a bold decision. He shaved off the remaining hair completely and embraced his bald look. When he stepped out with confidence, something surprising happened. People began to admire his new style. His appearance looked sharp, bold, and even a little heroic. What he once feared had now become his strength. From then on, Ramesh carried himself with pride. His bald head became a part of his identity, and he no longer worried about what others thought. He laughed along with the jokes and enjoyed the attention that came with his new look. Of course, life still had its funny moments. People often couldn't resist touching his shiny head for good luck, turning him into an unexpected symbol of fortune. Though it sometimes annoyed him, Ramesh took it lightly, knowing that his journey from worry to confidence was what truly mattered. In the end, Ramesh learned that losing his hair didn't mean losing himself. Instead, it helped him discover confidence, humor, and the ability to embrace change with a smile.